Hello my friends, I am ARNAB from ARNAB. Welcome to my channel. Friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to make a photocopy by using this machine Kyocera 3212i, this model. I have already made an unboxing video on this. Link will be in the description and in the I button. And you will also see this video from the end screen of this video. Before making of any photocopy, you should keep in mind some points. First point is that is paper size, and second point is that is paper or the original document orientation, and third point is that is the ink density of original document, not the output document. You should follow the original document. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to make the photocopy of these documents. Today in this video I am communicate with you totally in English language because this machine, this Kyocera 3212i machine is internationally distributed. Okay, not only in India. So total video will be covered in English only. If you need this video only in Bengali language, then I will make you for you. So come with me and let's go. Now friends, I have the three documents. This is a form and others are the Aadhaar cards. Okay. So from here we can make the photocopy in two different ways. First of all, we can use the ADF section, automatic document feeder, and the secondly we can use the scanner part, and this machine is totally automated. Okay, this machine is totally automated and within some seconds it may go to in the sleep mode. Okay, this is the normal feature. Okay, now first of all I will show you how to make this photocopy using the scanner part. Okay, using this scanner part. First of all, this is the written area. This is the blank area. Okay. Now I am opening this cover and place this document on this area. You are looking two rulers like this. This is the vertical ruler, and like this, that is the horizontal ruler. I am trying to show you. This is the horizontal ruler. All the paper sizes are denoted here. Okay. And like this. All the paper sizes are denoted here properly. This is the vertical and this is the horizontal. Okay. Now come to this point. What is the paper orientation? Paper orientation is two type. Okay. Now come to the control panel or screen. This is the Kyocera band, and I am going to copy option, and here this is the option of auto paper selection. Okay. I am clicking on this and there is two options. First of all, this is A4 paper plain, and here is a small size icon of a page. You are looking that. This is the vertical. This is the vertical view and this is the horizontal view. You are looking that the page symbol, this is the vertical view and this is the horizontal view. Okay. And this is the indication of your page in the cassettes. Okay. In my first cassettes, the quantity of paper is low. So it is showing a single bar, and my second cassette, the paper quantity is medium, so it is showing its double bar. Okay. In each cassette, in Kyocera 3212i, a single cassette contain 500 paper at a time. Okay. Now come with me in the scanner section. Okay. This is the portrait size of a document. This is a normal A4 size document. When I am placing like this, this is we call the portrait mode or portrait size. When I am turning like this, this is called the landscape size. You are looking that here is a mark of A4. Okay. And there is a mark of A4. Okay. And the page symbol is like the landscape. Okay. Now my document is, please minutely listen my point, my document is in portrait mode. My document is totally in portrait mode. So I have to place the document like this in portrait mode also. Okay. Now I am close this part. Okay. Now I am go to copy option. There are so many features in the copy option. Okay. Now I am starting each and every point like this. This is the preview panel. Okay. This is the preview panel. Okay. Now I am clicking on the preview option. Okay. Already it is scanning. Okay. My document picture is on there. Okay. And now I am clicking on the detail option. This is my document. You can zoom here. You can zoom and also can read. You can zoom and also can read the entire document. Okay. This is declaration cum undertaking. Okay. My document is also the declaration cum undertaking. Okay. Now I am close this panel. Okay. And I am going to cancel this. Okay. It is cancelled. Okay. Now I am going to make the photocopy of that document. This is the copies, number of copies. Here by default the number of copies is 1. You can increase it to, you can increase or cancel it. Okay. 2 like this, cancel, and 5 and cancel, and 8 and cancel, and 10, 1, 0, 10. That means 10 copy will be the output. Okay. Now I am cancel this and 1 is there. Okay. Now I am close that. Okay. Now I have to choose the paper and paper orientation. Now I am clicking on paper selection option and choose the landscape and choose the portrait mode, because my main document is in the portrait mode. Okay. Now choose the portrait size. Okay. I don't need to change the zoom ratio. Okay. I don't need to change the zoom ratio. Okay. My document was single side, so there will be no change. Okay. Just I have changed this. Now I have to click this start button. When I will click the start button, it will scan the document automatically and it will give the output. Okay. Now I am click on the start button. This is the document. Okay. This is the output result. Just check it. This is the output result and the original copy is in there. Now I am showing you that. This is the original copy and this is the output. So friends, now I am going to show you how to make a photocopy using the ADF section. Okay. Using the ADF section. Please minutely see this part. Okay. When I place the document and just push it gently, a sensor light will be shown here. A sensor light will be shown here and it will indicate you that there is any document there. Okay. And the copy part is also the same as previous. Okay. Now I am clicking on this copy option and make sure to select the paper orientation. Okay. Now I am selecting the portrait mode because my document is in portrait mode. Okay. Now there is no need to change any other feature here. Okay. Just push the start button. When you push the start button, it will take the original document like this way and it also scan the document and it deliver the document in this way. Okay. And output will come out from this way. Okay. Now I am pushing the start button. Okay. This is my output. Just like this. This is the original paper and this is the output. Okay. So friends, now I am going to show you how to make this photocopy. This is in landscape mode. Okay. This is in totally in landscape mode. Okay. You can use the ADF section and you can also use the scanner section also. Okay. Friends, an important point that this document also in the landscape mode. So I don't need to make any changes here. Okay. I don't need to make any changes here. First of all, I am opening this and place this document like this portrait mode, not in landscape mode. Okay. This is not like this. Okay. Just place it here, close it. Okay. And the resting part is also same. Click on copy and make sure your papers orientation is portrait. Your paper orientation is portrait, not landscape. Only portrait. Okay. Your paper orientation is portrait, and this feature is not necessary here. Okay. And click on this start button. And click on this start button. Like this. Okay. It is scanning here. And the output is like this. This is the output. Okay. This is the output. So friends, one more important point here. If your document is too much dark, then you have to make some changes here to make the best quality photocopy. Okay. At first, click on this copy. Okay. At first, click on this copy. Then choose the paper selection like this, portrait or landscape. Portrait or landscape. Okay. Then you have to set the color or ink density from here. Okay. Click on density. This is the minus value. This is the lighter section. This is the lighter section and this is the darker section. Okay. So 0 is the normal. If my document is too much dark, then I have to decrease the color density. I have to decrease the color density like -1, like -2. It will totally depend on that document, how much document is dark. Okay. And -3 and -4 is the last option. Okay. If my document is too much light, then I have to increase toner density or color density. Okay. Like this +1, like this +2, like this +3, like this +4. Okay. That's all. I am trying to make each and every aspects of this Kyocera machine 3212i, and one thing should keep in mind that the basic feature and the basic concept of photocopy is same for all Kyocera machines. So I will try to cover each and every option of this machine and how to operate this and how to operate this machine properly. So friends, if you like my video, please give a like and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any query, then comment me below. Okay. So just for today, thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.